Hi everyone, in this lecture we will talk about map functions. So there is a difference between a map function and a filter function. So a filter function allow us to filter a certain list or a certain iterable object based on a condition, while map function allow us to transform the whole iterable object into a new iterable object. So you will understand the difference with the help of these examples. So here I have some problems and I need to solve all of them using map functions. So first of all, this is the problem statement. Find the length of each string in the list. So here I have this list and this list contains some strings and I need to find the length of all of these strings. So here I'll say len underscore lst. So length list, this list will contain the length of all these strings, and now you just need to type here map function, and then map function also takes two arguments. One is the function and the other one is the iterable object. So in this case I just want to find the length of all of these strings. I'll pass here len function, which allow us to find the length, and then I just need to pass the iterable, which is lst1 in this case. Okay, let's save it, and now let's print this one. Print length lst. Let's run it. Okay, so we got our map object, so I just need to convert it to list. So just write here list, and let's run it. And now we got our new list, and this list contains the lengths of all strings which are present in this list one. So the length of hello is 5 because as you can see there are 5 characters in it, and then the length of world is 5 as well, while the length of hi is 2. So it's very simple. Now let's solve the problem number 2, and we just need to add these two lists. So by this I mean that we need to add 8 with 3, and then 4 with 34, and 5 with 2, 6 with 6, and 3 with 6. And this is how we need to add them. So for this purpose you can also use map function, because a map function allow us to take multiple iterable objects. Okay, so just write here map, or not map, let's type here sum underscore lst. Okay, and then map, and now we are going to accept two elements each time. One element from this list 2 and the second element from this list 3. So I'll write here lambda, and then x and y is equals to x plus y. Simple, we just need to add them. And now here instead of passing lst2, I'll pass lst2 and lst3. So just write here lst2, put comma, and then lst3. Okay, each time the Python interpreter will return one element from these two lists. Oops, we don't need to put here equal sign, just put colon. Okay, let's save it, and now let's print this sum list. Okay, so just write here list list and then sum list. Okay, let's save it, let's run it, and here we go, we got our new list. Now if you add 3 with 8, obviously you will get 11, and if you add 4 with 34, you will get 38, and same is the case for rest of the elements. Now let's solve problem number 3. Okay, so now we need to find the factorials of all numbers in this list. So if you remember, we have written our factorial function in our recursion tutorial. So here is my factorial function, and I just need to copy this factorial function. Just copy it and just paste it below this comment. Okay, so now we have a list and we have a function, and we just need to use the map function in order to link these two objects. So just write here fact underscore lst is equals to map function, and then our function in this case is a regular function which is fact. So just write here fact Perfect. And now I need to pass an iterable. So my iterable is lst2. Okay. Okay, so we actually need to write here lst4 because both of these variables have same name. So just write here lst4, and now below this line I'll print it. Okay, print and then list and fact underscore lst. Let's save it. Let's run it, and yeah, we got our list which contains the factorials of 3, 4, and 5. So you can check it manually. Okay, and now let's solve the final answer, which is again very easy, and that is capitalize the first letter of each word in this list. Okay, so I have this list and I need to capitalize the first letter of each word. So again, I'll say cap underscore lst is equals to, I just need to call my map function. Now we have a method in our string class with the name capitalize, which allow us to convert the first letter of a word to uppercase. So I'll use that function just right here, str, which is our class name. So don't worry, we will talk about classes in the next section. So for now, just write whatever I'm writing on the screen. So str dot capitalize. Okay, and now we have a function. We just need to define an iterable object, which is lst in our case, and let's print. Oops, print list and then cap lst. Let's save it. Let's run it, and boom, here as you can see that the first letter of each word is in uppercase. So I hope that you have understood how this map function works. And now I have a homework, and that is you need to search on the web that how you can use map functions with dictionaries, because if you have a clear concept regarding dictionaries and filter function, then using dictionaries with map function will never confuse you, and you need to search it by your own self. And I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.